the station. Hello, he who that nation, hello, he who that nation. So that will fight your mom, there are passing.
Civil station, he's.
Hey, Mama, so far. I said, but then you have three corners. Say, Yapa, Chiki, Shammy got double. I'm coming looking for
What is that one going to go now?
Oh, you are
Oh, did you?
You had to me room, how you buy Yarachi. It's sorry, we. But I mean, I did you don't you buy another go. I'm a command doing a pull with a one government house, one so big, one he to marry a common moment to marry as on you. A bit you don't I know and me.
When I solution in a way, woman.
That big. I'm one of the machine. You would have a boy, and then you sign by it, regularly, and then a pirate of a year. Some one of what you gave out. Year back, again, no, no, I mean, I'm good in him. Bring up my green itchy by me. I'm yet to sit back, I mean, over 1 hour. Ghana, my year, I'm good in with you when you want to put a mamma, you don't have a account. Don't know with them.
She don't have blessing.
She will not be same process.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you doing today? I'm just here this morning at my workplace this morning. I hope you're having a wonderful time this day. Today is Monday. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great too. Welcome to my live stream. Okay, right now I'm in my office. I'm just trying to do 1 or 2 here, getting ready for tomorrow. Hustle. So stay tuned and be blessed. I'm going to go with you.
Obstructing life, then.
No. I need to go stream live. That's all I'm so saying.
Okay, so I look at also wearing table. He put more than so that was what I'm more like that. I wish I could travel and shine.
He hard. Okay, now see my project. Yeah, my project how I can you can be 515. This is I have 100,000. So okay. I'm going to 300,000. We shall do. So I'm going to go and to the camera.
Protect interest to getting. The man forgetting interest to get the prayer first to say, wash. Come here, work and go to where Marco. Or where I achieve. It's not say, when we interest give a lot. Only in a general going on so
So, all the same. Now see set up.
Set up. Set up this audio mixer. Video mixer. What system? Serial machine. Then set up the output.
No, but we can set up output from the studio. From the mixer, the video mixer, start out from the video mixer, so I need to the audio. Start from mixer, so I need that black magic.
Audio. What's it? Somebody streaming online.
No, but we record now.
Record in Nigeria. My record now. One of us is a euro. Actually, audio, I do,
a record. Show her to just record her. We just record it with her.
Yeah, my record a camera. Then I read it. So I will audio but do guy. Do guy you.
Okay, so now, since you forget what about audio, just focus on the video. So now, see, I'm going to 12. So it's time of work. Maybe around 2 and a half. Just go there and check. See what comes. Check around. Hello? Hello? So let me talk to my people. Come here. Where they are, who was talking to me? Oh. So guys, welcome to my live stream today. Today is Monday, and I'm at work at the office right now, and trying to do some setups for the event I have tomorrow. Well, I'm not going to do something much in that event, but taking some pictures. So it's going to be fun. Maybe you will join me to see what I will be doing tomorrow. And I hope you guys are good. Today is Monday. Look for something and get something and start doing something. Thank you for always coming to watch my videos, watch my live stream. And you can join my membership and be part of my membership. And very soon I will start creating videos for my members, like nice videos for my members. So subscribe to my membership. Yeah, you can decide to say, okay, super thanks and super chat and all those things. And you can show some love supporting this YouTube channel, because I have a lot of things I want to do on this YouTube channel, but at times the challenge is the finance. Yeah, creating content creating is not that easy. When you are creating content, you need to spend money to get money. So creating content, you need to travel, meet people, pay people to do one or two for you to help you have a good content. So it's not always easy, but we are still pushing it. We are still making progress, and thank God for YouTube for giving us this great platform to be able to exercise ourselves and then show our talent. You know, so I'm happy to be part of YouTube, and happy to be part of you. You are part of me. I'm part of you. You watch me, I watch you. You support me, I support you. You know, you support us in different way by watching our videos, liking our videos. And if you are here watching this live, you can comment, let me know where you're watching from. And you can even press that like button to show that somebody is watching this video. You can send a sticker, you know, just do something to support this ministry. And like I said, if you look at my channel, what I'm going to be doing, lifestyle, travel vlog and entertainment. These are the basic things I'm going to be doing on this lovely channel. I hope you will find something good that will help you in any way. Yeah, I'm not the best YouTuber, but I'm upcoming. I started in 2020, and today I have about 5,100 something subscribers. It's great, and it's still counting. To me, it's a big thing for me. It's a big growth for me. I'm happy, and YouTube is funny. Sometimes when you start it, you make money in 1 month. You get a lot of subscribers. So it depends, yeah. So even we too here, we are hoping that one day we'll have that subscription. We'll have a lot of people that will subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching me, please subscribe and send chats. Just write something. Don't just sit and watch. When you watch, you just do something. All right? Because pressing this like button to know that, yeah, people are watching, and when you do that, it makes people come to my live channel my live broadcasts plenty. So you can do it by pressing the like button to help the ministry know. And you can comment to let us know where you're watching us from. So I'm happy to have great people like you here on this channel. It's a lovely channel, and you can do something, alright? Nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Whatever you have, do according to your strength, alright? So once again, I'll be here in this office doing some things, so maybe sometimes I will not be communicating with you, but you'll see what we can do. So now, we are going to testing this here. The mixer. So let me know where you're watching me from, and I'll be happy. But must it test to recording the machine? Okay, I'll just record how. Check me. Come on. Let's look at the camera. Would I do the camcorder that can embarrass me? Okay, now, sit to a budget line. Sit draw, you know. How can we draw the budget? Okay, Sanders, you know, but my light is still on. You say if you turn off the lights, no one will be able to see you. Okay, but I'm here. The light is still on. I'm still here. I know what. Come 100,000. I said 100K. Yeah, more, I make 300. So now what are you can? What do I see? 150. Pain, like some people say that pain heavy. What do you have to say?
Check. 5.
I don't go to church. Yeah.